Everyone. My name is Mrs. Halpin, and welcome to British Literature. We are in the second semester of the year, and I am really excited to go over this half of the school year with you guys. If you were with me in semester one, you know we did a lot of old literature, right? We did a lot of poems and poetry or prose, and we did Shakespeare, and I'm pretty sure you're like, enough, Mrs. Halpin, right? This semester, you're going to see a lot of short stories. You're going to see poetry. We're going to see a lot of nonfiction. We're really going to answer the question, how is literature influenced by the time in which it's written? And you really see that impact on literature as we go through each time period. So we'll hit the Enlightenment and we're going to go all the way to the 21st century. Yup, that's a lot of time traveling we're going to be doing there. But it's going to be great. We're going to have so much fun. We get to do children's literature. There's a little bit of suspense. There's a little more humor to it. Heartfelt stories. There's a lot of good stuff we're covering this semester. Um, the difference, I guess, between this semester and last semester is last semester we would read one piece and we dug really deep. This semester, bit of a quicker pace. We're going to be reading more short stories and we're going to be just repeating that practice over and over again, reading more stories, being exposed to more ideas, and we're really digging deep here. You won't see as many writing assignments. You'll see a few more quizzes, but that complexity is still there. Trust me. Um, so as you're going through the classroom this week, make sure you read through the syllabus, make sure you read all that course information. Things are a little different in second semester than they are in first semester. You're not going to see a big test at the end. We're going to have a project at the end instead. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And of course, stay on top of your work. This week you have 3 assignments. You need to complete the pretest. You need to complete the Britlet survey. Yes, you need to do it again. Even if you were in my class last semester, numbers change, people change, things change. So, yes, you still need to do it. And then there's a short Google Drive quiz in there as well. And then next week, we will begin the Enlightenment. So, get ready. We're going to have a good time. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much. And I look forward to working with you this semester. Bye, everybody.